Rolling?
Yeah, rolling.
All right. Hey y'all, Nick from Taylor Stitch. Today we are going to do a little re-waxing tutorial. So first we need a good old used jacket. Here's one of our favorites, the old Rover jacket. As you can see, a lot of where the wax will start to just kind of like rub off and just kind of like get dry spots on it. So usually you can see this, it kind of like sticks out from the rest of the jacket. It's usually where things are a little bit dry and not as glossy looking, right? And you can touch those spots up with a little bit of the TS Favorite Otter Wax here. Here we just have a re-waxing bar. And what you're going to want to do is find some areas on the jacket that are a little bit dried out. And you're just going to want to take this bar and just start hitting those areas. I like to go in a little circular motion. And it'll take some friction to get that wax a little bit warm and start coming off onto the fabric. So you can kind of see here we're getting some going. And I just kind of start at one point and just kind of keep circling out. Now when you have a good little bit going, as you can see that kind of sticks out from the rest of the jacket, right? So we're just going to want to get that soaked in. So we're going to take a little hot air gun here, or you can use a blow dryer if that is your flavor. And same as we did with the bar, we just kind of want to work it in a circular motion. Again, we're just trying to get that wax to heat up a little bit. And just kind of work it in to the fabric. I also will use kind of my hands as well. You can also use, Otter Wax sells this great little brush as well that you can use. And you can also use this brush to kind of clean off some excess dirt as well. And once that gets heated up, it kind of starts to sink into the jacket. I do let this cure for about 24 hours before I'm actually going to wear it or put it into use. And then you can just, again, kind of continue around the jacket or whatever piece you're kind of working on and just kind of spot treat. You can also take this same kind of idea to wax a garment that has never been waxed, and you can just take this bar and kind of do that same motion throughout the entire jacket and heating it up in different, kind of sections, and you can wax a whole jacket. Thanks for your time. Y'all have a good one.